was asked just to do a quick video here to show the difference in the size of some of the solo stove fire pits and stoves. So what I've got here is I've got the Bonfire, the Ranger, the Campfire. I think they call that the Ultralight. And unfortunately, the size in between the Campfire and the Ultralight is not with us today, but they do make one called the Titan that fits in between these two. Okay, the two larger pits, the Bonfire and the Ranger, and they do make one larger than this. I think it used to be 30 inches. It's now being updated to 27 inches. But these are really designed for patio fires. You can see the ring on the top is essentially just shaped to channel the air. I think it increases the flow of the air through the holes at the top, which is where the heated air goes through and causes the regasification effect. The Bonfire, the big difference between these two is that the Bonfire will use a full-size stick of wood. If you go down to the store and buy a bundle of wood, if you're camping and you happen to have these with you, it will take a stick of wood. The Ranger, however, won't hold a full stick of wood. So you either have to use your saw and cut it in half or use wood chunks or something of that sort. For that reason, if I were buying one for my patio and I had the space, I'd go with the Bonfire or the larger one. I'm not even sure what that one's called. But I would go with the Bonfire before I went with the Ranger because of that. The camping stoves are essentially, if you can see the difference on top, the top of these have tabs that are designed really to hold pots and pans. The Campfire is marketed as a stove large enough for 4 to 6 people, and it comes with some pretty nice sized pots. The Ultralight is really a backpacking stove, solo backpacking, size pretty much to boil water, so you can eat your boiled water in a bag kind of meals. And in between the two, the Titan is really marketed for 2 people. Honestly, the Titan is the one I like the best. Campfire is nice, it's just too big for what I normally do when the camera lady and I are out camping. And the Ultralight really is so small, and these things are so efficient, you are constantly feeding it wood. It just consumes wood, and candidly, I found it a bit of a pain. But that is the difference in sizes of the solo stove. Again, you know, different uses, but I would say the Bonfire would be the one to go with on the patio unless you want the larger one.